Hey, what's up guys, it's Lucid back on the job site. Today we're gonna be rerouting this conduit right here for this pump. They had just run the wire straight to the pump and they had no box. It was just splicing under it and they damaged for the wire. So they had it short and there was no power, so we're gonna do it properly. It is GFCI protected, but we're gonna heat up this pipe with our heat blanket. Our greenly PVC blanket. Gonna show you guys how to do that if you guys never bought one. Pretty pricey, but it's worth the work that it does. So we're gonna reroute it here. We're gonna be setting up this box here. It's gonna go straight to the box, and this one coming from the GFCI is gonna go to the box and have the splices in there other than down here. Alright guys, so first we wrap it around the pipe really good, then we just plug it in. Give it like a couple minutes, heat it up for us to reroute it. Okay, so right here, ready to remove the blanket. We unplugged it. And you can see it's steaming. It's hot, and it's already ready for us to bend it to our desire. The pipe has to submit. Hey guys, so that's we use the blanket heater for here. So for here we're gonna use set up our box here. So we're gonna use that. We need to make a 90 from there to that hole to the box. We're gonna be using our PVC heater box to heat up the pipe. As you can see, this thing looks like a charm. Just put the pipe in there and it heats it up in seconds. As long as you have already, I had the heater on for every 10 minutes to heat up. So once it's in there, see the pipe. The thing about this, you could burn it. And then once you burn it, you waste the pipe, so you have to constantly keep on turning it. It doesn't have to be fast, but just a regular motion. You can't let it just sit there because it'll just burn. See, if I stop moving it, it's just going to jump on the screen. See how right here it's very wobbly, so we could go back and forth here, so we could hold the tip, make sure it doesn't fall in there. Like I said, the key here is to not stop moving it, and you could kind of feel like they could feel it how it's ready, how soft the pipe is getting. And it's pretty much ready right now. I'm just keeping it warm for my guy to finish doing what he's doing, so we could, well, he's setting up the strap so we could strap it. So you could go back and forth if you have to wait for a couple seconds, minutes before the pipe is ready for you to set it up. It sounds really easy, but believe me, if you don't pay attention, you don't kind of keep on checking on your pipe, it will burn on you, and it's a goner. You can walk the first one, bro. See, beautiful. Thank you. Not the guy, the pipe. See how that came out like a charm? Just the investment you do on your tools, they kind of you get to show off on the job site, and it saves you time. Be professional. Alright guys, so here we already covered everything up. We compacted the dirt. We have our wire here. There's our the wire going to switch leg. GFCI protected. Here's the pipe. So here, this right here goes in there. So before every time the pump will go bad, they had to bring down the whole thing, and it was just a big project every time the thing died. So now they're just gonna have to pull up the plug, drain it, and change out. They just pulled the new cord in there, connected there. That's GFCI protected, and it looks much better. Alright guys, this is the final result. The pump is working, the fountain's working, so here's the fountain. So there's your box, so when you install. like about half an inch off the floor is the GFCI protection. I don't know if you could hear it, but right there it turned off the fountain. The fountain turned off right there. It's turned off. So now let's turn it back on. Yes. There, it's on. And it's on the timer.